Alright guys, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Nah, fuck that shit. Yo, what's good, man? It's been a while since I recorded these kind of videos. Day in life, but yes, 7:30 a.m. right now. I woke up at 6:45. I don't know, something like that. Doesn't matter, something like that. And I'm about to record some. I drank some coffee, drank some water. I'm gonna edit some videos. Get on with it. Start the day. Alright guys, I just finished up editing the video and now I'm gonna go to take a shower because I got the power. And then I'm gonna script and record a video for you guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, I just finished up recording this banger video, so stay tuned. You know what's funny? I'm recording a video inside the video. That's crazy. But anyways guys, now I'm gonna eat some food. Let's get it. I could even go outside. I don't know, I don't think tomorrow is Saturday, so tomorrow or today I'm gonna go to downtown to buy some clothes, but some new clothes. Why not? But either I go now or actually nah, I'm gonna eat some food and then I'm gonna script a next video a little bit, and then I'm gonna probably head outside, do a little workout in the nearby park, and then I'm gonna come back and probably take a shower and just get on with it. You know, I know you guys see me work a lot because I don't have nothing else to do right now. The markets are gonna open in 6 fucking hours. 6 fucking hours and the markets will open, okay? I have lots of time, so why not spend it doing something productive, right? Am I right? You know, because that's just shit that I like to do, okay? But guys, I'll see you soon. Alright guys, I just literally finished up another video. 2 videos recorded today, plus this that I'm recording right now. But guys, this is what brings the results. The work, not the fucking daydreaming. I'm past that. Daydreaming is pretty good in the beginning because you have to obviously know what you want. But most people get stuck into that shit and they never see the actual results. And this is what actually brings the results. Also this, and also putting in the work in the charts, on the charts, and literally that's that. There's no fucking secret, guys. There's no fucking secret. Like just watch and try it yourself, okay? Results are the things that will come from the work, okay? You feel me? You know how we're saying like this. Yo, I actually did bunch of stuff just recently. Bunch of stuff. I literally recorded the video that I said I was about to record. I actually edited the video, not exactly edited fully, but cut the video in, you know, pieces, so it will be easier to edit it later. And literally bunch of stuff, and literally time moves hella fast. Guys, this is why you have to fucking grind, because regardless, time moves fast. Especially nowadays. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but time is moving hella fast. So you have to fucking grind and use the time as your advantage. But anyways, guys, in 39 minutes, I'm gonna start the live call with the Discord, and we will be looking for trades. And today we'll actually look for the trade. We'll start the live call 30 minutes later because we have actually news 10 a.m. Eastern time in Eastern time. But in my country, it's like, actually we have news, 10 a.m. Eastern time, but in my country, it's 5 p.m. I know, that's, what can we do? But 10 a.m. Eastern time, okay? So we'll just have to wait, okay? Let's get it. Guys, I just finished up the live trade with the Discord. Today, we didn't actually have a setup forming up. Actually, I was looking for buys. Price looked hella bullish, but all of a sudden it just started to consolidate a little bit, and then I was about to enter, but it just started to do some BS. So no trades taken today. It makes sense. It's Friday, and we had news previously. So we had to wait for that shit, and you know, just a bunch of BS. This is, do you see the shit? It started to consolidate right there. But still, GG's. We had an amazing week, actually. Flawless week. However, we actually, we didn't take that many trades today. I mean, we didn't take that many trades the whole week. But we have been just fucking murdering these markets, bro. I don't remember when was the last time that we had a fucking losing week. But yeah, man, we've been killing it. And yeah, that was the last trade of the week. I mean, last trading session of the week. And we'll see. Actually, I saw next week on Wednesday, we have a fucking US bank holiday. So we're not gonna trade on that day at least. But anyways, pretty solid. I recorded like 2 videos today. Also, this video that I'm recording right now, I edited a bunch of videos too. And yeah, I traded, and now literally I'm gonna hit some homies up, go outside. Not this, but just, you know, chilling with some friends. Let's get it. Bro, I really want to get like a thumbnail where when I'm in the water. Imagine that. I'm not playing. This shit, it's like this
-5. Okay, go in.
It's fucking cold. It's not like normal country. This is like northern country. Damn, bro. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro.
How does it feel, man?
It ain't not bad, bro. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Ich hade gått här. Snälla några snör. Jag blir snopsig. Vad du ser? Säg jag. Hi guys, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Nah. Guys, hold on. Summer's here. Summer's here, man. Are you grinding? Or are you finding? Alright guys, what's good? I made it home. Was a chill day. Happy Fridays, guys. Happy Fridays, man. You know what time it is? It's time for a fucking weekend. So get off the charts. Actually, if you're a beginner, you should backtest, do all the necessary. But yeah, man. It's about to be 10 right now, 10 p.m. something like that. Almost 11 p.m. So you know how it goes, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, and as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Make sure to join the Discord. Let's get it.